With a powerful sidekick covering your back, you'll tackle any challenge. Introducing DJI Power 2000. With 1800-watt fast charging capability, it can be fully charged by grid power in just 90 minutes. Compared to the Power 1000, it doubles the capacity without doubling its size, fitting easily into the trunk. The output has been increased to 3,000 watts, effortlessly powering a wide range of high-wattage appliances. When there's an unexpected power outage, Power 2000 is there for you, keeping your essential devices running. Even at full power, Power 2000 stays ultra-quiet. You'll barely notice it's there. LFP cells with up to 4,000 cycles ensure safe, reliable use. Board-level sub-nano coating and inverter potting protection enhance safety. Its high-strength design supports 1-ton loads and uses fire-retardant materials for durability. When expanded with expansion batteries, a single unit can reach 22,528 watt-hours of energy storage, providing stable power for all your needs. Power 2000 can directly power RVs via the AC interface, and supports the 1.8 kilowatt solar car superfast charger for fast recharging via solar panels or car alternators. Pair it directly with the DJI Home app to check and control power in real time. Adjust settings on the go. Connect to solar panels for eco-friendly recharging. Anytime, any scenario, DJI Power 2000 delivers reliable energy support. Power your journey.